Hi everyone, I'm Elena with Stoica.co, and in today's video I would like to show you how to set up automated workflows into HubSpot. If you're not very familiar with HubSpot, it's a all-in-one marketing, sales and service platform. It's very powerful in terms of what you can do with your marketing, but today I'm only going to focus on the automation side. And just to lay down the foundation before we get started, workflows represent a set of actions that will execute automatically based on a starting point and a number of rules that you set out. And workflows have many different use cases. You can use them to automate admin tasks, or you can use them, for example, to automate lead nurturing campaigns. And the main reason for creating and running lead nurturing campaigns is some of your leads are not yet ready to purchase from you. They are interested in your company and your offering, but they are not yet ready to buy. So you want to stay in touch with those people, you want to educate them, and you also want to encourage them to move further down the sales funnel. And before we jump into the actual demo, what I think it's important for you to know is that there are three things you need to consider before creating a workflow automation, regardless of the software platform that you're using. So the first thing to consider is the goal. So why are you setting up that workflow? What are you trying to achieve? You need to have a clear goal in mind, and you need to have one single goal. The second part is segment. You need to know very well who are the people that you will be targeting, because, for example, you don't want to send lead nurturing emails to your current customers. That's quite a bad experience. And the third part is define what are the actions that you want to happen. And it's very important that you have a clear image of your workflow logic. You can even put it on paper, and it's best that you do this before going into the actual software to set it up, because it will make your life easier, and it will make you just work a little bit faster. Okay, so let's jump into our demo. So the example that I'm going to use today is we want to encourage people that have submitted a form on this landing page and have downloaded an ebook. We're trying to get these people to sign up for a free consultation call, and they would be able to sign up by filling in a form on this landing page. And I'm going to quickly show you my workflow logic. So first off, we're going to send a thank you email, and then we're going to add a little bit of delay to let people read the content. And after that, we're going to send them an invitation to book a free consultation call. If they happen to book the free consultation call, then we're going to notify someone on the sales team. Otherwise, we are going to send them a case study and then resend them the invitation to book the call. Okay, so let's jump into HubSpot. You need to go into workflows, and then you need to go into create workflow. As you can see, you have the possibility to create folders as well, which is very useful, because as you add more and more workflows, it will help you stay organized. I'm going to hit create workflow. One of the first things you need to do is name your workflow. So it's also good that you have a naming convention in place, because this way you will be able to identify what each workflow does. If you add the data as well, it's easier to trace back flow. So definitely have a naming convention before you get started. Okay, so once we're here, you're able to select a template which is pre-made, but today we're going to start one from scratch. And from here, you have the option to use a standard workflow, which is the one you would use for a lead nurturing campaign. You can also start a workflow centered on a date, something such as a webinar date, which is a fixed date. You would want to target only the users who actually attended that webinar, let's say. And you're also to create a workflow that's centered on a property date, such as a birthday or the date that someone became a customer. I'm going to select the standard one. I'm going to hit next. And the first thing I'm going to do is set up a goal. Remember that I mentioned it's super important to have a goal in mind and to have one single goal, because this will make it easier to track the performance of the workflow. So in our case, as I mentioned in the beginning, the goal is to get leads who converted on this ebook landing page, to get them to book a consultation call on this landing page. So my goal is based on form submission, and whoever submitted a form on this landing page basically will fulfill the goal of the workflow. And then I'm going to select my enrollment trigger. I'm going to enlarge this a little bit. So set enrollment trigger. And as you can see, you have a lot of triggers to choose from. It can either be page views, email subscriptions, list memberships. I'm going to go for form submissions. So those leads who converted on this landing page, the generation ebook download, they will be enrolled into this automation. Okay, so first thing, we're going to send people a thank you email. Thanks for downloading the ebook. Here's your content. So I'm going to select send email. You can create an email right from this interface. I find it's way easier to have your emails created beforehand. So I'm going to select thank you email. Hit save. And then we want to add just a short delay. So essentially let people consume the content, give them some time. I'm going to say 3 days. And then we're going to send an invitation to book the consultation call. So again, select send email, select the correspondent message. Okay. And then I'm going to introduce a branching logic. So essentially, based on what action leads will take, two different things are going to happen. So I'm introducing if then branch. If they filled the consultation call form, or if they didn't, two different things will happen. So if they don't fill the consultation call form, we're going to send them a case study. So we're trying to convince them that we're able to help them as well. And then I'm going to add the delay again. We're giving people time to actually read the case study. Let's say 4 days this time. And then I'm going to send again the invitation to book a free consultation. And for the yes branch, what I want to do is send an internal notification to someone in the sales team. So I'm going to select send internal email notification. I'm going to choose a user that will receive this. You want to have a subject and a body, so I put them right here because I wanted to make things more efficient. I'm going to hit save. And also what I would like to do is change the life cycle stage from lead to qualified lead. And I'm going to do this by setting the property value. I'm going to select life cycle. And the new stage is marketing qualified lead. Save. Okay, so Again, you can go even further. You can add another email in here. So there are various things you can do, but this is just to give you an idea of how you can use workflows. And let's just review our workflow from beginning to end. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. So whoever fills in a form and converts on this landing page by downloading the ebook is enrolled into the workflow, and we're sending them a thank you email. Hey, here's your content, enjoy it. After 3 days, we're sending them an email to sign up for a free consultation. And those users who do sign up for the consultation, we're going to send a notification to someone in the team, and then we're going to change the life cycle stage for that contact from lead to marketing qualified lead. And for those leads who did not sign up, we're going to send them a case study first. So hey, here's the work we've done for similar companies. We can help you too. Give them 4 days to read the case study, and then send again the invitation to sign up for the consultation. So once you have all the actions set up, you can go into settings. In here, you can specify whenever you want the emails to be sent out. Let's say for a B2B setting, you might want to send communication during the week. And then into performance and history tabs, this is where your data will show once the workflow is live. I'm going to hit review. Currently, there are no contacts to be enrolled. I'll say no, just enroll contacts who meet the criteria after turning the workflow on, and I'm going to turn it on. So starting from now, whoever visits this landing page and downloads the ebook will be enrolled into this automated workflow. So I hope the demo was useful. I hope it makes sense and it clarifies the way workflows can help you automate your work. If you have any questions, please comment, get in touch, and let us know. Thanks and have a good day. Bye.